Hi everyone, and welcome back to Best Stories in English, where we make learning English simple, fun, and practical. In today's video, we're tackling something every English learner faces: mistakes. We'll explore the top 5 mistakes beginners make and, more importantly, how to fix them. By the end, you'll have practical tips to boost your confidence and improve your fluency. Let's get started. Section 1. Introducing the top 5 English mistakes beginners make. Learning a new language is exciting, but mistakes are a natural part of the process. The key is to understand these errors and learn from them. So, why is it important to learn correct grammar? Why grammar matters? Grammar is the backbone of any language. When you use it correctly, your message is clear, and people understand you better. The impact of mistakes. Simple errors can sometimes lead to confusion. For example, saying, "He go to school yesterday" instead of "He went to school yesterday" can make your meaning unclear. Avoiding embarrassment. Making mistakes is normal. Don't be too hard on yourself. Every mistake is a step toward improvement. As the saying goes, practice makes perfect. Section 2. Common pronunciation errors. Let's start with pronunciation, a common hurdle for English learners. Mastering vowel sounds. English has 20 vowel sounds, which can be tricky. For instance, many learners confuse the sounds in ship and sheep. To fix this, focus on the length of the vowel. Practice saying, "This ship is big, and I see a sheep's." Distinguishing consonants. Some consonants, like B and V, sound similar in many languages but are distinct in English. Try saying bat and vat slowly to hear the difference. Practicing intonation and stress. English relies on intonation and word stress for meaning. For example, "I didn't say he stole it" can have different meanings depending on which word you stress. Practice by exaggerating the stressed word in sentences. Use online resources like pronunciation apps or YouTube videos to fine-tune your accent. Section 3. Article usage, a, n, and the. Next up, articles, a, n, and the. These small words can cause big confusion. When to use a versus an. Use a before words starting with a consonant sound, like a dog, and before vowel sounds, like an apple. Remember, it's about the sound, not the letter. For example, an hour is correct because H is silent. Understanding the is a definite article used for specific things. For example, "I saw a movie" means any movie, but "I saw the movie" means a specific one. Using articles in context. Practice makes perfect. Try describing your surroundings. "I'm sitting on a chair in the living room." The chair is comfortable. Section 4. Tense confusion: past, present, and future. Now let's tackle tenses, one of the most common areas of confusion. Mastering the basics. There are 3 main tenses: past, present, and future. Each has its own rules. For example, past, "I walk to school." Present, "I walk to school." Future, "I will walk to school." Understanding verb forms. Regular verbs like walk follow simple rules: walk, walked, walked. But irregular verbs, like go, don't, go, went, gone. Create flashcards to memorize irregular verbs. Applying tenses in real life. Write a diary entry using different tenses. For example, yesterday, I visited the park. Today, I am studying English. Tomorrow, I will meet my friend. Use apps like Grammarly or online tools to check your tense usage in writing. Section 5. Grammar gotchas, prepositions and idioms. Finally, let's look at tricky grammar points, prepositions and idioms. Common preposition errors. Prepositions are small but mighty. Mistakes like I'm good in English instead of I'm good at English are common. Here are some fixes. On versus in. I live in New York but I'm on the bus. At versus to. I'm at the station but I'm going to the station. Decoding idioms. Idioms like it's raining cats and dogs can be confusing because their meanings aren't literal. Learn a few idioms at a time and practice using them in sentences. Strategies for learning new idioms. Create a notebook for idioms. Write the idiom, its meaning, and an example sentence. For instance, break the ice, to start a conversation in a social setting. Example, I broke the ice by telling a joke. Tip: watch movies or TV shows to hear idioms in real-life conversations. To recap, here are the top 5 mistakes beginners make and how to fix them. Pronunciation errors. Practice vowel and consonant sounds, stress, and intonation. Article misuse. Master a, an, and the. Tense confusion. Know your past, present, and future. Preposition challenges. Understand common uses like on, in, and at. Idioms. Learn them gradually and use them in context. Remember, learning English is a journey, not a race. Mistakes are a sign that you're trying, and that's something to be proud of. Keep practicing, stay curious, and don't give up. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss more practical English tips. Also, comment below with any questions or mistakes you'd like us to cover. See you next time, and happy learning!